Hi all, my name's Hazel from Learner Support. I'm sure we've all been looking forward to some well-earned rest from studies, but here are a few tips to make sure you make the best use of your time off. Know when your next assignments are due. If you have work due at the start of 2020, get prepared and don't leave it to the last minute. Make yourself a wee holiday study planner. Now, no one is expecting you to spend hours and hours studying over the holidays, but having some time set aside on your less busy days to refresh your memory on topics or revise things that you have been finding difficult can make a big difference. You could use the time to catch up on some reading that you've been putting off. If you're lucky enough to be spending time with friends and family over the holidays, then why not try explaining to them all the things that you've been learning? This is a great way to see what knowledge you've gained, and you can then often identify parts of the course that you may want to revise to understand a little bit better. Try to get outdoors and enjoy the fresh air. Studies show that spending some time doing some gentle exercise increases memory and makes us feel happier, getting us in a better frame of mind for studying. Taking a little time over the holidays to study can make all the difference for when you come back. I hope you're all having a great Christmas.